of making polyethylene film and bag is called extrusion. This plastic film manufacturing process starts with melting down small plastic pellets, which called as resin, until they become molten and pliable. When the molten is pushed or extruded through a circular die to form a continuous tube of plastic called the bubble. Bubble is inflated with air to desired diameter and drawn vertically up a tower, giving it time to cool before it is flattened to its lay flat width. The thickness of film is controlled by the speed at which it is pulled from the die. The width of film is controlled by the amount of air inserted in the bubble. Film color can be changed in the molten process by adding resin pellets that contain color pigment. The thing can be done during inline process, maybe printing image, instruction, warming, company logo, and etc. on the film. The film can be formed at varying length and can be cut. We also can add vent holes, which are punched through the film in a variety of pattern and size.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Farah Shaida binti Hamzah. I would like to talk about the variety types of non-biodegradable plastic that could find around us. Firstly is polyethylene terephthalate, or called as PET or PETE. The code and symbol for PET or PETE is like this: clear, strong, lightweight, and widely used for food packaging and beverages. Examples of PET are water bottles, plastic soft drink, peanut butter container, and salad dressing container. Secondly is high density polyethylene or HDPE. Do you know what is HDPE? HDPE is thermoplastic polymers that produce from monomer of ethylene. So, the code and symbol for HDPE is like this. Examples of food packaging that use HDPE plastics are milk, water, juice, yogurt, margarine tubes, and cereal box liners. Next is polyvinyl chloride or PVC. The code and symbol for PVC is like this. Example of PVC is clear food packaging. Other than that is low density polyethylene LDPE. Code and symbol for LDPE is like this. The properties of LDPE are flexibility, barrier to moisture, bread, frozen food bags, and squeezable bottles are examples of food packaging that use LDPE. Next is polypropylene or PP. The code and symbol for PP is like this. The examples of PP are ketchup bottles, yogurt containers, and measuring tubes. Last but not least is polystyrene or PS. Polystyrene is aromatic hydrocarbon polymer made from monomer of styrene. The code and symbol for polystyrene or PS is like this. The example for PS are meat trays and egg carton. So that's all for me.
Let's proceed to the advantage of non-biodegradable plastic. Due to the high rate of shatter-resistant, plastic package and container do not damage and break when they are dropped or knocked over. Due to this property, manufacturers can change their size, their shape, and their weight according to their needs and interests of consumers. It does not require a lot of storage space compared to the others because it is extremely light in weight. Since the pollution is increasing and there are very few items that can save our food from contamination. This plastic packaging is one of them. These properties of plastic packaging make it useful for medical packaging because the packaging is filled automatically and sealed without.
Due to high economical value, all the manufacturers are using plastic packaging. No matter what plastic packaging style they were used for cost effective, it was beneficial for the small manufacturer as they can standardize their food packaging in low budget. For example, as polystyrene, it was cost only five times more lesser than the paper-based packaging. The other advantage is low wastage. The durability of plastic is high, and it is also act as a resistor for external influence. The food will be secured and preserved all the time. For example, as polystyrene, it can save up from wastage of inventory, more malleability, and also consistency for the final product. Other than that, it also have surviving ability. It will not be degradable at hot or cold temperature. As a result, it will have high integrity value of packaging for beverage and also fruit. It also can prevent the food from dust, oxygen, germs, light, color, and also microorganisms.
Non-biodegradable plastic have low melting point. They cannot be used where the heat levels are high. Some plastic products are highly flammable, such as polystyrene, acrylics, polyethylene, and nylons, which are commonly used in packaging, home and office appliances. Low melting point makes a plastic a fire hazard material. Next, non-biodegradable plastics causes pollution. This is because this plastic cannot be decomposed as it will not be broken down by microorganisms. Long-term exposure to air and water causes synthetic materials like plastic to emit toxic pollutants. Constant exposure of heat melts the plastic, emitting gases into the atmosphere in the process known as outgassing. Incinerating of plastic causes toxic fumes to be released into the atmosphere, which will result in pollution. Plastic pollution in marine environments can result in the degradation of aquatic ecosystems, algae blooms, and the death of marine species that ingest them. Non-biodegradable plastic causes soil pollution. The fragments from partially degraded plastics will accumulate in cultivated soil, and fragments such as polyethylene, which has a specific gravity less than 1, could float and potentially block drains. Even the soil flora cannot breathe and dies.
Next, the disadvantage of non-biodegradable plastic is degradation of the environment. The decay of non-biodegradable plastic is not easy. It might take centuries to decay. It is due to the intermolecular bonds that constitute plastics, whose structure ensures that plastics neither corrode nor decompose. Other than that, plastics disposed of indecently get washed away to water reservoirs.
They clog waterways and float on reservoirs, polluting and making them unsightly. Therefore, 3R principle is introduced to overcome this problem. 3R principle refers to reuse, reduce, and recycle. Last but not least, the usage of non-biodegradable plastics are also harmful for human and nature. Non-biodegradable plastics are used in packaging foodstuffs meant for human consumption that contains harmful compounds. Next, improper disposal of these packaging products also lead to these harmful compounds finding their way to water bodies where they dissolve over long time due to their non-biodegradable nature. Little plastics also harmful for animals such as fish, prawns, crabs and so on because they can eat them and die. It is also harmful for humans if they eat the seafood that ate the plastics. In conclusion, first, the usage of non-biodegradable plastics should be minimized and dispose it in a proper way. Second, recycle the plastics and reuse it. Third, as a food technologist, we should overcome this problem by using biodegradable plastics, which is harmless compared to non-biodegradable plastics. So, that's all from me. Thank you.